Okay, we're out here at the Bunyatova residence. We're conducting some wind damage shingle repair. And as we've tried to repair a couple of different areas on the roof, we've been running into a very similar issue. And I'll demonstrate what we're talking about here. So this is one particular shingle that obviously has a tab that's missing. This tab has been damaged and pulled off in the wind. Now, in order to replace this one damaged tab, as you can see, it's a 3-tab shingle. So there are 3 tabs that connect to make one particular shingle here. So in order to get this shingle repaired, we're gonna have to replace this whole product. But because of where the shingle is nailed, there are gonna be nails here that's holding this shingle in place, but also the nails that hold the top course are also gonna be affected. So we're really gonna have to pull up the top 2 courses just to get these shingles out. And what we're finding is as we're, kind of manipulating the shingles, these shingles need to be bent back far enough where we can not only get our pry bar in to remove the nail, but also as we, come in and re-nail it, and then secondary, as we put that secondary sealant in there to make sure that the old and new product seal together, we're finding that this product is starting to actually crack. There's a lot of granular loss, as you can see already on the shingle, that just as we're kind of manipulating and moving them, they're starting to kind of crack and create a crease, which obviously will compromise the shingle moving forward. So I'll kind of show you a little bit again of what we're talking about. But as you're looking here, this is one that the steel luckily has already kind of broken quite a bit for us. But you're seeing a lot of this, again, this granular loss come through. Now this product is already, it's already getting replaced, so it's not a big deal. But you can start to kind of see in that surface that crack that's developing right along. And so the bigger issue is as we're looking at kind of these products, again, trying to pull some of these nails out, and I'll just pull some of these out real quick. So as we're putting this through and getting these nails out in order to repair our damaged shingle here, we are starting, you can kind of see there, we are starting to get that crease developing in the shingle above. So this is our secondary course where we got to, as we said, pull up a shingle above that in order to remove the nails. Now what's hard is that we're again trying to remove this shingle without damaging the product that you see beneath. But these shingles, and you can kind of see in here, it's just so brittle and frail that to try and get underneath and wedge our way is just causing these shingles to rip, which will now cause actually this shingle here, which was not part of our immediate repair, to need to be replaced as well. And as we're going through up and finding that process, it just continues to kind of build one shingle on top of another, that in each of these affected areas, we're just having to, it's hard to really stop that repair process, because as we're replacing one, we're damaging another, and that process is continuing.